Good evening, everyone. I'm Leslie Marin in for Pat Harvey tonight. Well, our top story, new concerns over lead at the Eaton Fire zone. There are two developments. Pasadena has issued new safety guidelines for people who live in or near the burn areas. And LA County has agreed to pay for lead testing for all residents who want it. KCAL News reporter Tom Wade is live in Pasadena. And Tom, take us through these new headlines tonight.
Yeah, it's big news out here, Leslie, because here's the deal. There's a lot of concern about the older homes that were here in the Pasadena burn zone. Many of them used lead paint, and now there's concern because some of the initial testing of the soil in some areas has shown that there is some lead contamination. These are very preliminary results right now, but of course, because of that, there are new guidelines to deal with it. In the ruins of the Eaton Fire, concerns about what's hidden in the ash. Now, new guidelines from the Pasadena Public Health Department for people who live near or in the Eaton Fire zone. They come after LA County testing found slightly elevated levels of lead in about half of the sites that were tested.
Results are a little bit unexpected. But again, you have to keep in mind these are screening levels. By no means do they signify anything more than just a screening level.
Pasadena will request state and federal help to keep screening the soil. And until more test results come in, the city has new recommendations. Outdoors, prevent children and pets from digging or playing in exposed soil. Cover exposed soil with grass, mulch, wood chips, or gravel. And wash pet paws and toys after contact with soil. For indoor safety, remove shoes before entering your home. Frequently wet mop entryways and hard floor surfaces. Run air purifiers that use HEPA filters. Pasadena has already taken action to help mitigate potential lead contamination. In a park not far from the Eaton Fire burn area, new wood chips were added, a key measure to protect children. Parents like Daniel Whipple, who has a 2-year-old, is focused on staying safe.
We waited to come back to the park until after it rained and was cleaner, and then we've got new wood chips now, which is nice, and they replaced the sand. So in general, we felt other reports came out that it was clean, and so I'll have to check out the newer one.
We're still, like I said, we were masking and stuff. We're a little bit not as high level right now, but we'll definitely be taking those precautions still because, like I said, we know it's going to be going on for a while.
Because of the report suggesting potential higher lead levels, LA County supervisors approved $3 million in funding for residents in and around the Eaton Fire zone to test for lead contamination. Pasadena's health officer says in some cases she recommends hiring a professional for a blood test.
Anyone who is suitably concerned about exposure to lead, which could mean children, young children, pregnant women, elderly people with comorbid conditions, they should all avail of the opportunity to test their blood levels because this is a gold standard.
The Pasadena Unified School District also sent a letter out to parents saying that they were aware of the testing and that they are working with the Pasadena Health Department to make sure that students stay safe. Reporting live in Pasadena, I'm Tom Wade, KCAL News. Leslie, back to you.
Tom, thank you for that update, breaking that down for us.